Okay, so we're gonna be fixing these so that this over here has something to adhere to, because currently it's only gonna be hanging on to one of these pieces. There's actually a skeleton that goes back here, and they get brittle and they break, so those tabs are no longer there. So materials we're gonna use, I'm gonna use the original grill, obviously, and then we're gonna use some cardboard, scissors, calipers, and I'm gonna use a ballpoint pen, just something to mark our, like where the holes are. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm just putting these cardboard pieces in here. That way, when I fit the grill in place, probably hard to tell, but you can tell where the holes are, and then I can start making cuts. All right, so we have it lined up to where we need to be. So now I'm gonna make the marks. Need both hands for this one because I don't have this one screwed in yet, so. Okay, here's my rough sketches. Just kind of mocked them up. You can see I designed them in here. I'm using Autodesk Fusion for this. Now we're gonna pull up Bamboo Labs and send the file over to there, and then we'll begin printing. All right, we got it started. Only gonna be about a little less than an hour, then we'll finish. Then we can test fit it, see if we need to make any modifications. I had another idea in mind. I don't know if I'm gonna do it. I kind of just want the car back together at this point. But we'll see what happens once I get it in there and start taking a look at everything. There we have it. These are the finished tabs. Came out pretty decent. Needs a slight adjustment, but that's not too big of an issue. And I just saved myself a whole bunch of money. So 3D printing certainly has its place for some fixes like this. This isn't me advocating for you to just run out and grab a 3D printer, but I just want to show you that, you know, they do have their place. They certainly make things a lot easier. I wouldn't have had many other options if I didn't have one on that fix, or at least not cheap options. But you know, that's gonna work great. Everything's gonna be secure again, and probably cost me a total of, well, some of my time, which was all of like maybe 15 minutes, and probably about $2 worth of material. But if you are curious about 3D printing, just definitely watch some YouTube videos on them. Do some research. Bamboo Lab is probably the most user-friendly. And as you saw, you know, I can design my own stuff. They let you do some stuff in their software as well, but you're probably gonna want your own CAD. That's probably the most expensive part, is getting the CAD itself. But you know, for some stuff you can find free files of fixes people have already made, especially when it comes to certain trim pieces like door parts. There's plenty of those, like people have already created the files and they're free. You just have to search around the forums, the Facebook groups, that kind of stuff. And then once you have the file, you just upload it in, and then you can just run it yourself. You know, those two pieces took less than an hour to make. Again, $2 worth of material, and now the car's fixed again.